We're going to find out why dragons aren't hungry on the weekends, and we'll do it by working with prime factorization, both with numbers and for the first time with terms. And you'll be surprised to see how easy it is, though it's brand new and you haven't done it before. We're going to do the this first step together, and we're going to do it slightly differently than you might expect to do it. We're going to work backwards. I think by working backwards, it'll probably be a little bit faster. Maybe considerably faster. Instead of drawing out the prime factorization trees, we're just going to go straight from what they've already done and then attach these to these. And even though there are extras, it'll still be a lot quicker. V, we have 3 squared times 9. That becomes 3 squared times 7. That becomes 9 times 7, which is 63. Obviously, from this, there is no match for V. E, 2 cubed times 11. 2 cubed, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 11 is 88. Haha. So we know that 2 cubed times 11 is 88. So number 3 is E. T, 2 squared times 7. That would be 4 times 7 is 28. 2 squared times 7. 2 squared times 7 is T. See how quick this is? L is 2 cubed times 3. 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8 times 3. That doesn't have a match. This one will probably be 45. Let's see. 3 squared is 9. 9 times 5 is 45. So 3 squared times 5. 3 squared times 5. And that's A. See how easy that is? Now we're going to come down to the bottom. And it's the same thing, but you've got integers and variables. So we will do 20, 21, and 22 together. You don't need to do any more. You'll be able to understand from this, even though it's a new thing. So 20, we've got 2 cubed, so that would be 8, times 7, times a squared, b squared. That becomes 8 times 7 is 56, a squared, b squared. 56a squared b squared is S. 20 is S. 21, we've got -1 times 5 to the 4th power. That would be 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. That's 25 times 25. So let's figure this out. 25 times 25. 10, 11, 12. $625. So that would be 625 a squared b. If I put the last little bit together, I've got -625 a squared b. A to the 5th. Oops, it is a to the 5th. I'm running b. A to the 5th power b. Isn't it nice when you can find a mistake because they've got your examples for you. So 21 is W. I'm going to circle these and eliminate them. Finally, 22. 3 squared is 9 times 11 times a squared b to the 4th. That becomes 99 a squared b to the 4th. N. 22 is n. You can do the rest. See, it's not difficult at all. And when you find out why dragons aren't hungry on the weekend, you'll be a much smarter, better person.